Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change our display name on Zoom meeting application in our phone. Alright guys, here I have opened my Zoom application and here I have created a virtual meeting. And first of all, if we want to change our display name, we can go to the participant section. Click on this participant section and click on your name or your account. Okay, and if you want to change your display name, you just need to click on rename and you can rename your display name right here. And I'm just going to name it like this. And after you're done, you can click on this OK button. Alright, and now as you can see that my display name has been changed and the step is really simple, right? Alright guys, and that's how we can change our display name on Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.